Welcome back mga ka-Joy, and we are going to check the Davao Coastal Park.
Hi guys, welcome to Joy of the World.
Welcome back mga ka-Joy, and we are currently here at Bangkal, and yes, we are going towards the Davao City coastal area. Yes, but it will not be the road yet, but we are going to check out the coastal park. Yes, the Davao Coastal Park. And yes, it will be our first time in here, and I am sitting at the back. And yes mga ka-Joy, we are now currently here at Bagoa Playa, in which it is the entrance towards the Davao City Coastal Road. But we are not going to the coastal road yet, but we are going to pass along this part of the coastal road. Plus, there is a park, yes, along the Davao Coastal Road, and it is known as the Davao Coastal Park. And it is really a great space for families or friends to have some exercises. Yes, and it is really spacious. And so since we are at the back, yes, we are going to see the back portion of where my cousin is really driving. And here mga ka-Joy, we are actually going to a right, yes, but in our view it's a left side because at this area this is going towards the Davao Coastal Park parking space, and we are going to see what are some of the activities that people can do in there. And yes, actually there is a separate road, yes, at our right portion, but it's gonna be at the left side if you are driving on the right path, and that is going towards the coastal road. But our destination right now is going towards the Davao Coastal Park. And yes, at our left side is actually also a playground, and it is the first playground as you enter the Davao City Coastal Road. And actually it is the area here wherein a lot of those who have vehicles towards the Davao City Coastal Park are going to enter. But you can also have a bicycle or you can jog around at the other side, but not in here. But you can actually drive towards here. And yes, here's a short tunnel, and we are now actually at the area of the Davao Coastal Park. There you go. And it's just so wow that we are finally here and we are seeing the space. Yes, it is now the Davao Coastal Park here at Bagoa Playa. And yes, we are going towards the parking space. And so let's get near the Davao Coastal Park, and actually at the left side it is the way towards the coastal road, and you're going to walk around less than a kilometer so that you will arrive at the Davao Coastal Road. But currently we are seeing the Davao Coastal Park, and yes, it is one of the spaces wherein you can see a round area. Yes, this one, a round space wherein I think people can skate in here. And yes, it is really a very spacious area for people to have jogging, yeah, to have some recreation, exercising, or even to play. And you are lucky enough to see Mount Apo here. And here's the parking space of the Davao Coastal Park, and so it's also so wide. And yes mga ka-Joy, people who have cars can go here and actually park, and then you can go towards the coastal road to exercise. And yes mga ka-Joy, at this time we are going out, and still we are at the back portion. And here we are seeing the area of the Davao Coastal Park, and we are again going to see the tunnel, short tunnel of the bridge, yeah. And most of the lights in here are actually solar powered. Yeah, and it's good. And here is the tunnel of the bridge. Yes, going towards the coastal road, and it is not yet finished, but people can come here and see and exercise, and hopefully very soon it will be done so that it will be utilized and it will be more clean here. And you can see that more of the trees, or most of the trees, are not yet fully in bloom. Yeah. And at our right side is actually the first playground that you will see at the Davao Coastal Park. And the one that is inclining, yeah, at the left side is actually the road towards the coastal road. And those who have bicycles, or those who just wanted to run or to jog, they can opt to go there. And again, here is the space for the coastal park playground number 1. Yeah, it's gonna be an exciting area to have some refreshments, yes, also to unwind, yes. And yes, mga kajoy, you are going to see here more trees in the future and in very good state. And yes, mga kajoy, we are going out. And at this junction, you are seeing the way towards the coastal road and also the way towards the parking space. And so mga kajoy, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do not hesitate to subscribe by clicking that red button, and also click the notification bell so that you will always be updated with all of my channel activities. Thank you very much. And we are here at Bagoa Playa as we visited the Davao Coastal Park. And yes, we went to the Davao Coastal Park parking area. And here mga kajoy, we are about to end our coastal road trip. Yeah. And there you go. Again, thank you for watching. Until next time mga kajoy. Goodbye.